Hello everyone. We come to the last topic of today's lecture. Here we will understand environmental movement by tribal through a case study. The Dongriya Kondh struggle against Vedanta to save the Nyamgiri hills. The Dongriya Kondh tribe living in the Nyamgiri hill range in the state of Odisha is included in the list as a special mention to provide a contemporary example of dislocation of a primitive tribal group in India because of harmful development activities. Although the tribe exists in huge number in the neighbouring territory, erstwhile Andhra Pradesh, the Dongriya Kondh living in the Nyamgiri hills in Odisha are particularly threatened by bauxite mining in their habitats. The Nyamgiri hills are deeply forested and have many streams running through them. The Dongriya Kondh worship the mountain god Nyam Raja and are Dravidian in language. The Dongriya Kondh tribe, distinguished by their attractive attire, especially in the case of women, live in villages scattered throughout the hills and farm these slopes and draw resources from the nearby forest and streams. However, Nyamgiri hills are rich in bauxite, and before receiving permission to mine, the mining company Vedanta built a refinery in the nearby Langjigarh town and started work on a conveyor belt. The government approved the refinery on the condition that not forest would be used. However, Vedanta annexed 60 hectares of land that were originally village forest. The refinery badly affected the Dongriya Kondh village in Kinnari and displaced its people. Other than displacement, the refinery has also polluted the forests and streams in the hills, and crop damage was also reported. This led to widespread protest among the Dongriya Kondh in the form of roadblocks and human chains around the mountain, and they also formed human chains around the mountain to protest against the Vedanta group. The refinery represents an example of how extractive development project can colonize and discriminate against primitive tribal groups in India. Over time, the Dongriyas' interactions with non-tribal cultures has brought a wider audience to their nature-based philosophy, as their historic anti-mining struggle has made the Nyam Raja festival an event circled on the yearly calendars of many activists and reporters throughout the country. Celebrated each year on the plateau of Nyamgiri range, the festival is now an informal platform for jungle, zameen, that is water, forest and land movement, drawing participants from several states and cities like Delhi, Kolkata, Bhubaneswar and Badgar. With this, we come to an end of the chapter. I have two questions for you. The first is, I want you to write down at least one of the best practices of natural resource management observed in your district or your state. And the second is, what are the programs running in the district having components of natural resource management? Do complete these exercises and we'll meet for the next topic very soon. Thank you.